Hello everyone. Are you wondering what sheesh means? Let's explore. Sheesh is an exclamation used to express amazement, disbelief, or excitement. It's often drawn out for emphasis, like sheesh, to convey a strong reaction, whether it's surprise, admiration, or incredulity. The term has become popular in recent years, especially on social media platforms like TikTok, where it's often accompanied by a hand gesture to emphasize the feeling. Sheesh is versatile and can be used in various contexts, from reacting to something impressive to expressing frustration. In essence, sheesh is a modern way to convey strong emotions, particularly when something is striking or surprising, encapsulating a moment of heightened reaction. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.